Circularity is key to minimizing waste and greenhouse gas emissions, keeping products and materials in use, and regenerating natural systems. Did you know that up to 45% of greenhouse gas emissions can be avoided by applying circular economy principles? That's the potential we're tapping into. At Schneider Electric, we have chosen to adopt end-to-end circularity. By leveraging innovation and changing our offer creation process, product design, manufacturing, and services to use better, use longer, and use again. Our circularity strategy is driven by 7 key streams: design and innovate for circularity, source better, manufacture and operate better, maintain and repair, modernize and upgrade, take back, repack and refurbish, recycle raw material and substances. Have you ever wondered what real operations drive the circular economy? Let's take a closer look. Our return, repair, and repack centers across Europe are at the heart of this transformation, dedicated hubs for disassembly, component recovery, and refurbishing. When products are returned, they go to our return centers to be sorted. We've even developed a digital application that scans and identifies whether a product qualifies for circular operations, eligible for repair or refurbishment by Schneider Electric. It goes to our repair center. Eligible for repack, to our repack center. Recyclable only, it is safely processed and reintroduced into the material stream. At our refurbishment operations center, we diagnose, repair, and rigorously test returned products to ensure they meet our quality standards. Once restored, these refurbished units are carefully packaged and shipped to our circular distribution center. We're introducing tools that guide quality control checks, helping assess potential quality issues and the criticality of each product in relation to customer usage. With this process, operators can confidently accept or reject items for repacking, ensuring only suitable products move forward. We use sustainable packaging, reduce paper and ink usage, and ensure each repacked product meets the highest standards of quality and safety. And unlike traditional models, we publish real-time stock of circular products on se.com, giving you transparency and access to sustainable alternatives. These products are properly identified and differentiated, and are then available through the standard supply chain to meet customer needs.